Hi everybody, this is Dia Damson, and today we're gonna do a fun little watercolor painting of a bird. And I will start and I'll show you how sometimes if I have complicated images, I will sketch them on paper and sketch them on any paper. Then I will transfer them to a semi-transparent paper, and then I'll transfer it to the surface I will be painting on. All right, so let's have some fun. All right, so here is my canvas, or at least is going to be my piece of paper for sketching. So the bird is pretty simple shape. We're going to put the bird on a branch, and I can just create a line for my branch. Let me push a little bit harder onto my paper so you guys can see. So I can create just elementary branch, create approximately where I want my bird to be, and my bird's gonna be right here. Now we can make it a little bit more circular or a little bit more elongated, and I am going to do it more like a pear shape. I can do a circle and then another circle and kind of connect those two. I'm gonna do a beak for the birdie, an eye, which most of the times is right the level of the beak is where the eye is gonna end. This area is the chest area of the bird. Usually it's a different color. Then we have a wing of the shape of an eye. We have the two legs standing on the branch. Then we have a tail that it's coming out, and it's a trapezoid. So this is super simple birdie shape. The only problem we have is if I have to create my sketch from this, not sketch, if I have to erase, it's gonna be a big mess and it's gonna be a lot of work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my transparent paper, and I have already done a few of those here. I'm gonna lay it over, and obviously I am going to transfer a clean version of the bird onto the paper. Now if you don't have a carbon paper to transfer, and you see plain version of the bird, if you don't have a carbon paper to transfer this with, just flip that over and go on the opposite side and repeat the pencil marks. And once that happens, you can do the bird looking left, looking right, whatever you decide. Now, because I already flipped my paper, it kind of transferred already. So the bird is backwards, it's mirrored. But I could have done it this way and transfer. Now, it's going to be easier if you have a softer pencil, something that it's a B, anything B plus, B6, B4, anything. The most common pencil that we have at home, it's HB, and that's what's used for schools for like sketching, writing, whatever, everything. That's still gonna work, but a B is just soft and it will transfer really, really nicely. Also, it will make your hands dirty. Yay. And I have already transferred it to this, is to transfer a clean version of my sketch, and it's right here. The next part is decide on my colors. I'm going to use, and you've seen this before, this cool palette of watercolor, and it's a traveling kit. It comes with everything, with your paints, with your mixing palette here. It comes with two different brushes. One is round, one is flat, long bristles on the flat, which will help us get more water with that. I added a bigger